Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. A Performance Important Plan, also known as PIP, is a formal document managers use to outline areas of an employee's work that require enhancement. It provides a structured way for managers to communicate with their employees about underperformance and develop strategies for improvement. The Performance Improvement Plan typically includes specific goals that the employee should strive to achieve, a timeframe for realizing these goals, the support and resources the organization can provide, and the consequences of failing to meet the outlined expectations. This plan is not meant to be punitive, but rather serves as a tool for guiding the employee toward improved productivity and engagement. To use our free PIP, follow these steps. Download our PIP from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Plan your performance improvement program. Use the template to document the areas that require improvement. Be sure to include specific goals, measurable outcomes, steps for achieving them, and a timeline for completion. Set up a meeting with the employee to discuss the PIP. This is an opportunity to explain why this plan has been created, review what needs improvement, and establish the resources they may need. Regularly check in with the employee to ensure they stay on track and meet their goals. Refine the plan if needed and provide any additional training or support. At the end of the timeline, assess your performance improvement plan's effectiveness in improving performance. Document any changes in performance and successes achieved which will benefit future planning. Here is a sample of our PIP, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our PIP, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.